In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized 404 error page using the Hostinger website builder. In just a few minutes, you'll have a professionally designed error page that keeps your visitors engaged even when they stumble upon a dead end. First, let's head over to the Hostinger website builder. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate directly to either the site settings or the pages section. This is where we can start crafting the new page that will serve as your 404 error page. Next, let's create a new page. You'll want to give this page a title that's intuitive and clear. Something like 404 error works perfectly. This name will help you easily identify it in the future if you need to make any updates. Now that you have your new page, it's time to design your custom error message. This is where you can get a little creative. Consider the tone of your website and the message you want to convey to your visitors. A friendly and simple message can help lighten the mood. You might include a message like, "Oops, this page doesn't exist. Let's get you back on track." Alongside this message, it's extremely helpful to add navigation links to guide users back to main areas of your website, such as the homepage or popular sections. This ensures they can quickly find what they're actually looking for without any hassle. Once you're happy with how your error page looks, there's a key step you must not overlook: setting this new page as your designated 404 error page. Head back into your website settings. Usually there is a section specifically for error pages, or you might find it listed under a more general settings menu. From here, you'll be able to specify that this new page should be the one displayed whenever a user lands on a non-existent URL on your site. Now your page is set up and ready to go, it's time for the final step. Save all your work and make sure to publish your website. This step is essential because only once the site is published will the custom 404 error page be visible to your visitors in a live environment. Publishing updates your website to display all the changes you've just made. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've turned a potentially frustrating experience for your users into a seamless opportunity to engage them further with your content. By directing lost visitors smoothly back to your main pages with a custom 404 page, you enhance your website's usability and leave a positive impression. Thanks for following along, and happy site building.